Good morning, guys. Welcome to a new video. I'm on my way to an iftari gathering at my friend's place. I'm super excited for all the yummy food. Also, here's what I'm wearing today. I've just reached and Sanobar gave me this warmest welcome. Met her mom in the kitchen. She's busy preparing all the delicious food for iftari. इतने सारे खाने की खुशबू से ही मेरे को भूख लग गई है. Sanobar is setting up everything beautifully. I love watching how much effort goes into making iftari special. There's so many dishes I've never seen before and they look super interesting. I'm now covering my head with a dupatta, all set to dig in. मैं actually यहाँ पे पगला चुकी हूँ भूख से. Finally, it's time to eat. I'm sticking to the veg options because I'm a vegetarian and oh my god, everything is so tasty. Okay, meet Dua, Sanobar's cat. I'm way more used to dogs, so I'm taking my time with her. She's cute, but I have no idea what's going on in her head. Sanobar is showing me her outfit for Eid and it looks gorgeous. Meanwhile, I'm still figuring out Dua and I think she's doing the same with me. After all that food, kadak chai is exactly what I needed. Sanobar made me one and it's hitting the spot. And now we're stepping out for a little outing. Such a lovely evening. Good food, good company. That's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed coming along. Bye.